How you doing?
Okay, Center.
Let's go check these out, you guys.
One of these mornings.
This is dragon fruit. Planted not even, was it like a season ago? A couple months ago? Excuse me. This thing's just taking off, but I'm kind of messed up. Got this in a 25 gallon, but everything is growing off of one side. I kind of need to supposed to keep an eye on it. But this thing is doing it fabulously. These were growing off of cuttings, not too much bigger than these guys at the end. Alright, but we really need something to go off the opposite side, not all on one side. So this guy right here is going to climb, and then I'm going to have to come out here probably next couple days and make sure that it's going out the back. I can't have everything grown out of the front. This is towards the back of my house. My house faces west, so this gets all the morning sun and it's doing great. We'll see how it does throughout the winter, but it's definitely loving this weather. What do we have? Physical Graffiti, Sugar Dragon, and that one's Purple Haze. These aren't super spiky, but these things absolutely thrive in that 70, 80 degree weather. I'm noticing, honestly, we've been up to like 110 this year or so, and it's handled it well, just not getting that full heat sun, but getting the heat. Rather, not getting the rays, but it did well dealing with the actual heat. Having good gloves like this is a must. These are some leather gloves. These guys do have spikes, but they're not too crazy like the, every tree's different. Peach tree. We got some lemons, some finger limes. Look at this growth on this guy. These things grow great in pots because they stay kind of dwarf. I'm going to see if I can get these to go the opposite way, but they're kind of a little bit sturdy. I like to have one gloved and one not gloved. Makes it easier. Ah! Well, that came off. That's a cutting. I'll go plant this someplace else. See what I can get off of that. Nice leather glove is good enough for something like this. These aren't like a cactus. And they're sticking on here pretty well, so I don't know. I might be stuck like this. I can't get anything turned opposite way. Yeah. Maybe I can tie this down. I don't know. It's bending well. The idea is to do this while it's growing. I swear this thing grows so fast though. So after doing this for some time, in my opinion, what it is like you have to have different bearing things. So like some things that grow really fast, some things that grow really slow. It's like your berries and things, you can plant those and you can probably get a crop within that same year depending. Whereas trees, you're probably looking at a couple years, and if you're doing something from seed, it could be like 8 years, 5 years. So when you get just trees or bigger things, it's kind of like, I need something now, and you keep buying things and whatnot. So it's kind of good to get some different types of different things within your garden. Anyway, what we're gonna do is use some of this tape. I have this tape. You can get this at Star Nursery if you're local. Get it online, and it's stretchy, as you can see. And this is what we're going to use to tie this down. And this is super good for like the dragon fruit, definitely. But what happens is let's say that this dragon fruit gets thicker, this stuff isn't going to be as restricting as like some rope. So it's always good. This is one of those mini tools that's good to have in your arsenal, especially if you're going to do dragon fruit. And this is just so hard to grip with this glove. So gonna be sort of careful and use my hands. It's not gonna be the end of the world if I get poked, but it's just so windy. So weather changes, it gets windy outside. I'm noticing, at least here anyway. We don't have trees to block all this wind, so I'm saying it again, like the wind is what messes you up in this desert climate and climates. like this, for instance. We don't have a lot of trees to block all the wind. So if I can just get this guy. Stay down without breaking anything. I think we'll be golden. I could do anything with this guy though. I swear I didn't come out here and look at this for, I swear, it was like 4 or 5 days, and then it just shot through once it started hitting in the 80s. Yeah, I think this is as well as I'm gonna get. So this kind of trains it. The main thing is not to break the inner stem. And I think we're good. I'll have it grow this way, then I'll get the start, or maybe I should let it tie it a little bit further back, like around here, and then snip it, and then allow it to grow out. I think I'm just gonna leave it like this though. It's probably the best choice. But as you can see, like I've been showing you on my other videos, snipping it at the tip, you'll start getting all this other growth that comes off. I'm excited for this. This is less than, if you want something super fast to get some fruit off of, you have it shorter, unlike my other one. And I'm gonna have fruit next year, definitely. It's gonna be too cold to get anything. Hopefully I don't need to cold protect it. Got so many cuttings down here. Look at this guy. Could be a cutting. We could sell that. Or I could just wait for it to grow and have some other fruit. I think dragon fruit's excellent when we're talking about return on investment. And directly behind we have the pepper row. Look at that, coming in nicely. Leave me a comment about what you grow in your area. Peppers, dragon fruit do well here. 9B, Vegas, folks. Let's grow!
Let's grow. Vibe.